All right, you guys know I love to travel. Hitting the road, catching flights, exploring new places. It's in my blood. But let's be real, traveling smoothly takes more than just wanderlust. You need the right gear. That's what we're diving into today. The ultimate travel essentials. Let's do this. All right, let's talk packing cubes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Packing cubes? Sounds kinda extra, right? Wrong. These things are game changers. Seriously, they'll change your whole packing game. Remember that organization I was just talking about? Packing cubes are your secret weapon. Imagine this. No more digging through a bottomless pit of clothes trying to find that one sock. Packing cubes let you compartmentalize everything within your backpack. Shirts in one, pants in another, underwear and socks. You get the idea. It's like having mini drawers inside your luggage. And the best part? Packing and unpacking becomes a breeze. No more unpacking your entire bag at a hotel just to find one shirt. Just pull out the cube you need, grab your stuff, and you're good to go. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, so you've got your backpack, your packing cubes, you're feeling good. But you know what can really make or break a trip? Sleep. That's where the travel pillow comes in. Memory foam, contoured support. Trust me, a good travel pillow is an investment in your sanity. So, do yourself a favor and invest in a travel pillow. And hey, maybe you'll even be able to get some decent sleep on your next adventure. We live in a digital age. Our phones are our lifelines. But all of that tech is useless without power. Enter the portable charger, a travel essential. It's like having a backup generator for your tech. Stay charged, my friends. Keep on exploring. Travel is amazing. It's exciting, it's inspiring, it's full of new experiences. But let's be real, it can also be chaotic. Airports are loud. That's where noise-canceling headphones come in. Slip them on, and the world around you fades away. Just you and your thoughts, or your music. They're great for commuting or working in a busy office. Your sanity will thank you. All right, so you're at the airport, right? And you know those ridiculously overpriced water bottles they sell after security? That's where the reusable water bottle comes in. It's good for your wallet and the planet. Fill it up anywhere. Airports, hostels, even sketchy fountains. Ditch single-use plastic, stay hydrated, and save cash. Win-win-win. Look, having a first aid kit is non-negotiable. A compact kit with essentials is all you need. Band-aids for blisters, antiseptic wipes for cuts, pain relievers, and personal medications. Trust me, having a first aid kit can be a lifesaver. It's like having a safety net for those unexpected moments. All right, let's talk about toiletries. Travel-sized toiletries are your best friend for packing light. No need for jumbo-sized bottles on a week-long trip. They're small, compact, and perfect for airport security. No more stressing about liquid limits. You can find travel-sized versions of almost everything, even cute little travel-sized perfumes. Refill them for your next adventure. Practical, efficient, and who doesn't love miniatures? All right, let's move on to the next item on our list. All right, we're talking travel essentials, and this one's a no-brainer, especially after the last few years. Hand sanitizer, people? Look, I get it. You're on the go, you're exploring. Maybe that street food vendor doesn't exactly have a sink set up. Things happen. But that doesn't mean your hygiene has to suffer. A small bottle of hand sanitizer takes up practically zero space in your bag and can be a lifesaver. And trust me, your nose and your immune system will thank you. You're out there experiencing the world. Not every public restroom is going to be winning any hygiene awards. Plus, nobody wants to be that person on the plane who keeps everyone else up because they got sick. Do yourself and your fellow travelers a favor. Pack the hand sanitizer. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Compression socks? Seriously, Casey? This is for grandmas on long flights. Hold up, I hear you. But hear me out. Long flights are brutal on your circulation. Sitting in those cramped seats for hours? Yeah, that's a recipe for swollen ankles and feet. Compression socks might not be the most glamorous travel accessory, but they can make a huge difference. They help improve blood flow and prevent that uncomfortable swelling. Plus, did you know they can actually reduce your risk of deep vein thrombosis? That's a serious issue, especially on long-haul flights. Look, I'm all about that hustle, that constant movement. But even I know when to prioritize comfort and health. Don't underestimate the power of good circulation. Trust me on this one. All right, let's talk organization. When you're traveling, the last thing you want is to be fumbling through a messy bag for your passport or boarding pass. Enter the travel wallet. This thing is a game changer for keeping all your important documents in one place. Passport, boarding pass, visas, credit cards, cash. It all goes in there. Plus, a good travel wallet will have RFID protection, which helps prevent electronic theft of your credit card information. Look, I've been there. You're at a crowded market or tourist spot, and suddenly your wallet's gone. Don't let that happen to you. Invest in a solid travel wallet. Keep your valuables safe, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where everything is. All right, we're on to item number 12, and this one's a lifesaver for frequent travelers. We're talking about a universal plug adapter. You get to your hotel, ready to charge, and bam, different outlets. That's where this little guy comes in. It's like the Swiss Army knife of power adapters. Trust me, it beats searching for an adapter at 2 a.m. It's about safety, too. Get a quality adapter and thank me later. Let's talk luggage security. How are you keeping all that good stuff safe? Enter the TSA-approved Luggage Lock. Locks may seem old school, but trust me, a good lock gives you peace of mind. TSA approved means no destroyed zippers. Invest in a sturdy lock, it's worth it. Traveling can be exhausting. Long flights, noisy hotels. It's enough to throw off anyone's sleep. But item 14, an eye mask and earplugs, can help. I tried one on a red-eye flight, and it was a game changer. Earplugs block out unwanted noise. They're essential for any traveler who values their rest. All right, guys, listen up. Number 15 on our list of travel must-haves is a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. With it, you're carrying your own internet bubble wherever you go. Navigate a new city, catch up on work, or scroll through Instagram without lag. Trust me, it's a lifesaver on the road. Don't leave home without it. Number 16 on our list is for all my fellow bookworms out there. We're talking e-readers and tablets. When you're traveling, going digital is the way to go. Instead of lugging around heavy books, you can have an entire library at your fingertips. They're lightweight, compact, and fit easily into your carry-on. Plus, the battery life is insane. Perfect for long flights, train rides, or lazy afternoons by the pool. Ditch the extra weight and treat yourself to a world of reading possibilities. All right, this next one's a little more old school, but trust me, it's a game changer. Number 17 on our list is a travel journal. In this age of Instagram stories, there's something special about documenting your adventures the analog way. You're creating something tangible, something you can hold on to and revisit. And it doesn't have to be fancy. Just find a quiet spot, grab your pen, and let your thoughts flow. Years from now, you'll be transported back to those moments. So, grab a journal and start documenting those travel memories. All right, we're 18 items in, and this one is clutch, especially if you're like me and you find yourself near bodies of water, often unexpectedly. We're talking quick, dry towels, people, not your grandma's fluffy bath towels. but the kind that dries in like minutes. These things are lifesavers, man. Imagine you're on a trip to, I don't know, Thailand, right? You're island hopping, jumping off boats, finding hidden beaches, the works. You don't want to be lugging around a soaking wet towel smelling like mildew in your bag. Been there, done that. Not a good look. That's where these bad boys come in. They pack down super small, like the size of a burrito, and they dry almost instantly. Plus, they're lightweight, so you can just toss one in your day pack and you're good to go. Trust me, a quick dry towel is a game changer for any adventure, big or small. Next up, we're talking about a travel essential, the foldable tote bag. It folds up into practically nothing, like a magic trick. I always keep one in my backpack. Exploring a new city, you find cool stuff at a local market. The foldable tote comes in clutch. Great for grocery runs, picnics, and better for the planet than plastic bags. Okay, let's get real for a second. When you're traveling, especially if you're on a longer trip, doing laundry is just a fact of life. But who wants to waste precious vacation time searching for a laundromat in a foreign country? Not this guy. That's why I always pack travel-sized laundry detergent. Yeah, you heard me right. These little packets of detergent are like magic. You can wash your clothes in a sink, in a hotel bathtub, heck, even in a river if you're feeling adventurous. It's all about being resourceful, people. This is especially clutch if you're on a budget, because it means you can pack lighter and avoid those ridiculous baggage fees. Plus, let's be real, nobody wants to wear the same pair of socks for 2 weeks straight. All right, guys, picture this. You're about to head out for the biggest night of your trip. You've got that killer outfit planned. And then, bam, a ripped seam, a missing button. This is where a mini sewing kit saves the day. Trust me, this little guy has saved my bacon. Don't underestimate the power of a mini sewing kit. Okay, let's talk coffee. Is it even a trip without a decent cup of joe? Hotel coffee? It's a gamble. Enter the portable coffee maker. Get your caffeine fix anywhere. Control the beans, the grind, the whole deal. Be your own barista wherever you roam. You know me, I like to be prepared. Nothing screams prepared like a good multi-tool. It's compact, versatile, and can get you out of a jam. Knife, saw, screwdriver, pliers, bottle opener. Tighten a screw, cut rope, or make a quick repair. It's like having a toolbox in your pocket. Practical, reliable, and makes you feel like a secret agent. All right, we've talked about a lot of gear, but this next one is essential. Portable chargers, people, lifesavers on the go. You don't want to be searching for an outlet with a dead phone. Remember Tokyo? Chaos. Complete chaos. Luckily, I had a portable charger. Crisis averted. Look for one with decent capacity. And something compact. Portable charger. Non-negotiable. Let's talk hygiene for a second. When you're traveling, you're exposed to all sorts of germs. That's why I never leave home without hand sanitizer. The good stuff, with at least 60% alcohol. It's like a portable sink, neutralizing nasty germs. And don't be stingy with it. A little dab goes a long way in preventing sickness. Stay healthy, stay sanitized, people. And there you have it. 25 must-have travel accessories to make your next adventure smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. From packing essentials to tech gadgets to hygiene heroes, we've covered it all. Remember, packing smart is all about prioritizing. You don't need to bring everything but the kitchen sink. Choose items that are versatile, compact, and cater to your specific needs. And don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Traveling is all about embracing the unknown, stepping outside your comfort zone, and creating unforgettable memories. And with the right gear, you can focus on what truly matters, experiencing the world around you. So get out there, explore, discover, and make the most of every adventure. Safe travels, everyone.